is coming and it's going to be here really soon. So here's all you need to know of what's happening on Good Friday over in Bilston Town outside Greggs at 12 noon. There's going to be an outreach gathering happening there where we're going to be there, so you can join us for that, where we'll be hearing the gospel message in the middle of Bilston Town. And then over here at Excel Church in the evening at 7 p.m. we'll have our Good Friday service where we'll have communion. And on Sunday, Easter Sunday that is, you can join us as usual at 11 a.m. for our special family service. But do make note that in the evening on that day there will be no service, so just the morning service on Easter Sunday. So we can't wait to celebrate with you on Easter weekend. While we're on the subject of Easter weekend, on the Good Friday when we're doing the outreach event in Bilston Town Centre, we're looking for cream eggs that we can give out to young children and families while they're there. So if you could, on your weekly shops, pick up a few cream eggs and donate them to the church, that would be amazing. But also Food Bank are looking for some chocolate eggs as well to donate to families over Easter. So if you'd like to pick up a couple of Easter eggs, chocolate Easter eggs, then feel free to do that and donate them to the church. Thank you in advance.
He's the King of glory in times of peace, the justice roll. He's the King of glory when trouble's found.
Have you ever wanted to share your faith with your friends and family but kind of just don't know where to start? A lot of us can run into that problem. I've been there myself. But we're going to be delivering a course here, the Christian Life and Witness course, and this is part of the Billy Graham Evangelistic Association. They're going to be sending a team here to kind of put on this to help equip us in how to share our faith. It's going to be happening on Wednesday the 13th of April. It's only one evening. We're going to be starting it a bit earlier than we would Bible study, so it'll be from 7 till 9:30, and it's got all the tools that we need to know how to share our faith effectively with those around us. So why not join along for that? Sign up online and join for this course where you can learn how to share your faith more effectively with people around you. So we'll see you there. Oh hey, are you interested in media, being skilled? Are you interested in graphic design, videography, photography, or even on-screen presenting like me? Well, we are looking for other people like you to come and join our media team. We want to grow this within the next year, and we've got opportunities here at Excel Church that you can be a part of. So if you're interested in that, then why not join us on the 29th of March? It's a Tuesday evening from 8 till 9 p.m. where we can meet up together with like-minded media people to see what you can get involved in here at Excel Church. So why not join us? See you there. Did you know that there's 5 Wednesdays in the month of March? It's a long one, guys. But on the last Wednesday of that month, we're going to be doing our Leadership Development Night, and we're going to have guest speaker Pauline Young from Zion Community Church in Birmingham join us for that evening to talk to us all about leadership. And so why don't you join us, sign up online for the event and come along for the Leadership Development Night. Have you or someone you know suffered bereavement? Well, we're putting on an online bereavement journey course which is going to be happening from the 4th of April, and it's for 6 weeks. So if you know someone or you'd like to sign up yourself, sign up online to receive the Zoom link, and we'd love to see you there to help you on your journey, or someone that you know. Oh, hey guys, if you're interested in being in the worship team, we are holding some auditions here at church where you can audition to be in our worship team. So this is whether you can sing or whether you play an instrument like me. Why not give it a go and come along on Sunday the 10th of April at 4 p.m. for our auditions. So make a note of that, get it in your diaries and join us for the worship team auditions. So don't forget, this week is prayer and Bible study on Wednesday at 7:30. And don't forget, on Sunday is our Mother's Day service because it's Mother's Day. So bring your moms, celebrate your moms and all of that. And that is all for Excel News. So have a great week, guys.